Want to learn to drive but don't want to wait 6 to 12 months to get there? You can pass in days with My Intensive Course, the UK's fastest and a leading provider of intensive driving courses, also known as crash driving courses. When you book with My Intensive Course, you are protected by our 100% refund guarantee if we cannot get your course arranged within 4 weeks. And when you book with us, we only ask for a deposit up front. You will not pay the balance until you have your course schedule fully prepared. And don't worry if you have seen driving test delays for up to 12 months. We have systems in place that work alongside our licensed DVSA business booking service that work hand in hand to bring you the earliest dates possible. With over 2,000 government-qualified course instructors ready to help get you on the road in no time, with a choice of manual or automatic cars. Your course instructor will also pick you up and drop you off daily from your chosen location. What sets us apart from others? We are the only dedicated course provider to provide free theory test and driving lesson support with our industry-best tuition programs. If you book with a theory test, we provide everything required to pass, so there is no need to buy anything else. And as long as you follow our tuition, we will pay for as many resits as it takes. We can also offer a theory Zoom training session with our head driving instructor. At the start of your course, your instructor will spend the first hour assessing your ability, unless of course you are new to driving, and then you'll follow the whole syllabus from start to finish, including all the reverse maneuvers. Last of all, after you have booked and paid the course deposit, we will send you a starter pack. This will include important course information, a mock test marking sheet, and your time and progress card you must bring to every in-car session. We hope to be part of your journey to a full license. If you are not sure on what course to book, simply call us and speak with an expert course coordinator who are all happy to help.